Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Astro Fx team. Hopefully this goes out to all the traders all across the world. This is a very, very special edition of Banking with Astro. This edition is what we're going to call September Shows All. This is the first time we're going to see any trader, that we've actually ever seen any of the trader, talking, showing everything. That means we're going to be opening one of our personal accounts to the whole world that you guys can see our wins. That's right, the proud moment for a trader. When you're up, me and Sean, we constantly post our trading results on our Instagram channel for everyone to actually look at. But today we're going to be showing about, how we achieved those wins. The losses also. We're going to be talking about our losses. There's a lot of traders out there that actually don't, that basically claim they don't even lose. However, that is not true. And today we're going to be, again, opening you all up to some of the losses we've had, how we've dealt with it, and maybe why the losses actually occurred. And the last thing, withdrawals. Again, it's a personal account, so we'll actually show you how much money can actually be extracted from the market. Because it is about faith. It's about seeing that money can actually be taken out of the market. I know how it feels to, be beaten up and you're constantly losing your account or your account's going sideways. You have no faith. So this video is no bragging. It's just motivation. Because when we were learning, nearly 6 years ago now, we never seen a trader talk openly about their account, show their winnings, show the losses, and we really would appreciate it for when we were learning once upon a time. And it's good motivation, it's quite inspiring. We've got a lot of people, we've got a lot of messages. Guys can constantly keep showing me what you guys are up to, so it motivates me. I want to go on your course, I want to be a profitable trader, everything. So hopefully this video will help with faith. And again, guys, before anyone goes into any comments or anything like that, this is not bragging, this is just motivation. So I'll pass you over to Sean, and I'll be talking to you guys at the end. So have fun, and I hope this video helps every trader out there.
Yes, thank you. Yes, indeed, guys. Again, this is no bragging. This is just going to be motivation. Again, as Nat just mentioned, we get so many emails from all parts of the UK and worldwide, believe it or not. People are appreciating us for our work, the pre-market analysis which we always take the time out to post on all of the social media, because again, social media is the most powerful form to get our message out there, get our analysis out there for everybody to follow, learn from, etc. And on top of that, we also have our Technical Tuesdays. Yesterday's Technical Tuesdays, put it up yesterday, day late. Because we've had some technology problems this month, believe it or not, guys. So we had to get a couple of new computers in there, a couple of new phones, and so on. And it can be a bit stressful at times when you have trades on, you go out the house, and you can't really monitor your trades and so on. So yes, we're all back now. You may have even noticed that our video, this video and our new Technical Tuesday video is in fact in HD, which is a big upgrade. Thank you to the Apple Mac for that one. So okay, let's get to this month, September. Okay, so again, as Nat said, we didn't really see upon our personal journey of putting our faith and money into people when we were actually learning the game and so on. There was always someone to provide a service, but there was actually nobody to prove that they actually extract money from the market, they actually live from the market alone and so on. Forex for me and Nat, with 4 or 5 year journey, it was do or die. It was all or nothing. It was like, we're either going to make it in this market or we're going to basically, just beg on the street. So, okay, I'm going to go through a few actual trades and so forth this month. So here is one of my accounts right now. Okay, so we have a few accounts. The MyFX book results that we do have on our website. So again, they're all personal accounts. We don't trade nobody else's funds. We've turned down so many people always messaging us saying, can you trade my money and so on. And aside that, do use signals. Guys, we just think it's spoon feeding, to be honest. And again, it's all about learning a craft yourself so you can actually live off it, be self-sustaining and so on, because we do market all of our our work. We're just spreading our experience in order for you guys to become self-sustainable over a period of time. So September for Astro. For you guys who have been following us the longest, following our Technical Tuesday videos, following our Instagram posts and so forth, we did say that we are going to be dabbling into the commodity market now. So let's just go through what a real account actually looks like. Okay, so for you guys who are familiar with MetaTrader 4, as you can see, the goal, we are real accounts here. Okay, we can also see some withdrawals, which I'm about to go through now. So 30 days trading. I'm currently in a few trades now. I closed the euro yen. For you guys who have been following us quite closely, we were milking the euro yen. I've done 5 trades short on the euro yen, and you can go back to our Technical Tuesday volume 14 to see exactly why. Very, very simple trade, and I know many people made money alongside us. Okay, so gold, I've also been milking gold, so let me just pull up the history. Okay, so as you can see, guys, most of these trades on here are actually gold. Normally I take around 3 to 4 trades each and every week, but as you can see, my gold strategies, and it's more intraday, so I have got around 25 trades on this actual board at the moment. Okay, so let me just go through all of these. Gold at the start of the month. Remember, I'm really fresh into gold now, so I'll start with 2 lots, 3 lots, just to get the feel of things. As you can see, I had a pretty high success rate on gold, going in and out for 30, 40 pips. Sometimes maybe looking to get 60 to 80. I don't like to hold gold, so it's always in and out. This here, for instance, is in fact a withdrawal, and you know, if you are a student of ours, students know that we give them little tips. There's all little dots you can put together in order for you to be successful in this market, and a consistent withdrawal upon profiting is one way to balance your psychology. So you do in fact come back to the charts and back to your account in a very, very balanced manner to obviously achieve longevity in this actual field. So what we like to do, even if it's like, we have a couple good trades on a Monday, Tuesday, we do like to see that money come out of the market so we can go and enjoy ourselves, go have fun with friends and so forth, in order to come back to the market very balanced. Many people haven't actually seen withdrawals. Again, 90% of people in this market haven't seen withdrawals. The figures are, guys, 90% of people fail, 5% will go sideways. Them ones who ain't too risky and manage to keep their account, actually the money in the account, but you won't really withdraw and so forth, and then obviously the other 5% conquer the world. So as you can see here, guys, a couple of withdrawals. We've got 2,000, 2,000, 5,000, 2,300, 4,500. We have some losses here. Gold, my first loss on gold, 5k, and I have another loss here, which was 3k, and another loss here on euro yen, which was 1k. That's over £6,000 of losses in 1 or 2 days. Now, guys, it is actually in your job description as a trader to be able to handle losses. Now, these kind of losses, now they don't touch me. 5, 6k, boom, hit stop loss, okay, move on. Go outside, go do some exercise, go drink something nice, and just take it on the chin and come back again. It's all about how you handle your own emotions. But on mine and Nat's personal journey in the Forex market, it's also been a journey of self-development where we've had so many losses and so on our way before we will come, before we actually became profitable, that other things in life don't really affect us no more. And we know how to balance our emotions, such as greed, fear, revenge, etc. So yeah, we had a 6k loss in a matter of 3 days, and I know some of the best and professional traders out there, they do have losses and they still feel that emotion of doubt which comes upon them. Remember, guys, if you have a strategy which is even 80 to 90% accurate, you are vulnerable to having 10 to 20 losses in a row. So you just got to remember that one. So there's a couple of losses here, and we quickly regain momentum. As you can see, 6k in about 3 or 4 days. Had a little break from the market, came back in. We were trading a GBP USD. We were hitting gold back at 3.5 lots. EJ 3 lots, and then went on to the oil. As you guys know, we've been trading oil. First oil trader this month. Well, I've done 3 oil trades. One was just a tester right here because I was just unsure what the broker and lot size and so forth. So I've actually done 2 oil trades. One was for £369, and then the next one I caught a real nice breakout, which was in fact 11k. So again, guys, it's all about risk reward. All about risk reward. I'm going to go over this trade in a moment, but I'm just going to pass you over to Nat so he can have his word on this actual statement.
That's right, guys. Another little subject I've just thought about right now is how many people manage to message us. And unfortunately, again, I'm not going to talk about any competition when it comes to the teaching business. I respect everyone out there. And again, one thing you might see on Instagram is we don't ever call out anyone. We don't ever write any negative comments about no one. That's not about us. However, one thing that actually does annoy us, that does pee us off, are people falling for courses that might be £50, £100, £500. You know, these courses that, you know, will be a few £100s that people are going to throw their money at. Do you really think someone that potentially might be making, you know, anywhere between £2,000 a day, which we've got here, all the way to £11,000 in one day, you know, are you actually going to get that quality for £500-600? Now, if I told you, you know, that a course, you know, is, you know, a few £1,000s, however, that will give you the ability to make that £1,000 every day, if not every single week. That's what you call an investment. So, guys, before, you know, thinking about, okay, this is the cheapest, this is the closest course to me, ask for these results, because 99% of people won't be able to show you. And again, this is not bragging, this is just motivation. Think about who you're going to pay. Think about what you actually want in life and the money that you actually want to extract from the market. If you're here to extract £50 a week, oh, by all means, pay for your course for £500 or something. However, if you want to take this into, I want to trade for the rest of my life on a beach somewhere, I want to be making, just like we have, £11,000 in one single afternoon, then you actually need to think to yourself, you know what, okay, let's even go in deeper. For the whole month of September, which Sean's going to show you in a minute, but £20,000 British pounds profit in 1 month. Now, if I told you that for a few £1,000s, you can make £20,000 in 1 month, now that's what I call an attractive investment. You know, there's investments out there that won't even be able to make 15 or 20% of your money back over the space of a year, let alone a few months. So again, think as a businessman, not as a gambler. Think about, okay, I'm investing my time, investing my money, but I know that if I keep learning this craft from professionals, it will pay back. And that's exactly how our students felt. And as you can see, we haven't had no bad feedback of all of our students. They're all doing really well. We're actually going to be showing you their progress real soon. So I'll pass you back over to Sean, but I just want to quickly remind people, think about, is it too good to be true? Is this course, which is £1,000, going to show me how to make £1,000 a day? Because that doesn't really make sense to me. So, guys, I'll pass you back to Sean, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to go over, I'm going to give you some chart time here now for the actual trades that we have actually done. So starting on gold, as you can see on gold, for you guys who've watched my Technical Tuesdays videos, gold downtrend on the daily, we are expecting 1180s, 1170s, 1190s. That's a dynamic area of support there. So I've just been selling, because finally overall bias, come down, sell on smaller time frames, in and out for 40, in and out for 80, maybe even 100, 120. Oil also, I'll show you this is the setup I had. I had this trend line here, 1, 2, 3 rejections from the 91 area of support. We were about to break the trend line. I did actually catch on this move, and the oil would have had to close over 95 in order to go to 100, 104, 108, but we rejected that level, and luckily, guys, I was out of the market just before we seen that 300-400 pip drop, so that was very lucky of me. Again, sometimes, guys, you got to be really on your ball. For more analysis, you can check out my Technical Tuesdays videos, which I posted yesterday. But here it is, just an insight into one of the accounts. Yes, just one of the accounts. And then, we do receive some criticism here and there from people, and it became clear that, if we post a trade like, 100 pips on your EM, for instance, the other day, get some negative comments like, oh, these must be hidden accounts, even though people are too lazy to actually go through our history, go through our videos, go through our results in order to see that we're posting time and time again. This is natural to us now. We're in the very, very small minority percentage of people that actually openly share our analysis, and we do that because we've got so much in-depth skill that we keep for our students if they want to come to us and do this on a professional level. So guys, I hope that's a good insight to just one of our accounts and some of our trades that we've done this month. We wish everybody a great October. Just remember also, we're coming into the last quarter of the month now, so we might see some crazy market movement. We have non-farm payrolls as well, so we won't be in the market till Monday, Tuesday now, guys. So I'm going to pass you over to Nat to just wrap this video up. Thank you very much.
Welcome back, guys. That's it. So today's video was basically, as well as, just giving you an insight into mine and Sean's personal trading career, it was also an alert. Like, if you are interested in the Forex market, or, you're not happy with the lack of results you've been getting so far, then maybe it's time to start investing your time, investing your money into professionals. And this is where we come in by showing you alerts, signals, some sort of, well, not, I hate to use signals, alerts to look out for. So alerts, this is an alert. Okay, next time you see someone post a chart, at the top of their screen, will they show it and say, okay, it's a real account? Will they show it's a real account here? Will they show you exactly about the lot size, the volume, the currency pair, and the win or the loss? We want to show everything because we've been in this business, like I said, for 6 years, like Sean mentioned also. For 6 years, we've seen a lot, and it has been very, very disloyal to people. So if you think about investing in someone, it's not us. Like I said, we're not here saying that every single person is going to learn from us. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to alert you to go out there, ask the right questions, so you don't end up falling flat on your face from the people you're learning from. 90% of people lose. The people that you're going to learn from, are they someone that can actually show you these results, that you can walk in on your course day and say, you know what, I want to look over your shoulder, I want to see what trade you're in right now, whether it's win or loss. We show our students. That's what it's about, giving people faith. We just ask for 1% of your faith and we will earn the rest of the 99. Hope you enjoyed today, guys, and this is Banking with Astro. September shows all. We'll be back very soon. Hope you like it, hope you subscribe, hope you give us a shout on Instagram. All messages welcome. Every single person that even gets in contact is welcome. Thank you very much.